Babes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Gabriella, and today I'm going to be trying on the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Caracas, and this is how it looks. The journey started last week because I heard a lot of good things about the Hourglass foundation. Actually, Amina Coco did a video on it, and I immediately I saw it, I went to Sephora. Like, I just went to buy it, right? I got it delivered the next day. Unfortunately, all the shades I got, which were 13.5, 14, 14.5, and 15, were just off. They were not for me. And I think maybe it's because I have a 10 right now. I feel like 13.5 would have been my shade, but they don't have like those in-between neutrals. And that was just really unfortunate because I do like the foundation. They just need to work on like the in-between shades. So I returned that, and in the process, I said, let me go to Ulta. And I was able to see that this matched really good on my skin. I was also able to pick up this NARS concealer in Amande, and y'all, it's like, that's all I have on my face right now. It looks like I actually have foundation on. So if I want to do like a no makeup look, this is what all I have to use, and like put some cream blush, a little contour, you know, whatever, like it's already given, you know what I mean? So now I know. And it's just so funny because in the beginning of my makeup journey, which was like 6 years ago, I did used to buy like NARS because I heard so many good things about it, but I was buying in the wrong shades. Like, I used to just be like, this is not a match, because I feel like it didn't match my skin, not knowing that what I was getting was too bright, and I wasn't even getting things that were matching my undertone. So I know now that I'm a neutral. I can use like warmer stuff, but I'm really a neutral, like a warm neutral. And while I was at Ulta, I also picked up the Morphe V102 brush. I'll be using this brush on one side of my face, and then I'll be using my beauty blender on this side, just to see like there's any difference. And it's not wet, it's just damp. Okay, so I'm about to start blending this out, and I'm just gonna be buffing it in. I'm not gonna be moving it, just like, you know, like that. And what I do like about this brush is that it doesn't really hold on to the product like that. It doesn't really hold on to it. I think that's what I love. And I like how it had this like angle to it. It looks scary, I won't lie, when I'm using it. Like, this is why I wanted to do it in the light. I do have like a makeup vanity in my room, but I just wanted to see how this would look in natural lighting. I like it though. Like, I really like this foundation. Like, I'd rather it be like close to my skin tone than be too light and give me that ashy. I didn't like that ashy look that I was getting with the Hourglass at all. I didn't like that. We can't be doing that. We can't be walking around looking like Casper. Okay, girls, we're not doing that no more. Okay, we know better. Okay, I know better too. Like, I know better, so there's no excuse. And I just use one pump. I really can't see how I look on camera, like, because of the light, but it looks good to me. Let me put my mirror here, over here. Okay, it looks good to me, y'all. I usually use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which I think is maybe like my winter shade, but I don't know, this is just giving me flawless, you know what I mean? I like it. I really like it. So now I'm gonna use one more pump and go in with my beauty blender. So what I'm getting so far is, if you want more of like a skin finish, if you want more of like a natural finish, I would definitely say to use a beauty blender. And if you're looking for more of like a full coverage, then I would say use the, because I'm not gonna lie, to me it seems like this side is darker than this side. So yeah, that's how I see it. It's definitely giving just one. It feels like I just put one layer on this side, but on this side it feels like I put two. So I'm just gonna go in again and add a second layer because I do want my face to match. But I am liking the Beauty Blender side. I am liking it though. Why? I can't lie, yo, I can literally see the difference though. To me, I feel like I'm darker on this side and lighter on this side. I don't know if it's because like the Beauty Blender is picking up some of the product with it, but I won't lie, I do like the Beauty Blender side better. Okay, let me just show you guys how it looks. This is definitely giving like skin, and this is giving like full coverage. It looks like I have a 10. Hold on, I need to check this out, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's really a big difference. Like, I'm about to make some TikToks, y'all. I ain't trying to look crazy. Okay, all right now. Or maybe I just going with the foundation brush again because, I don't know, maybe we could have like pressed it into the skin or something. I don't know why it's doing this. I think because with the brush, I'm actually pushing it into my skin. Like nothing is like leaving. Everything is leaving the brush and going onto my skin. You know what I mean? So I think that's why I'm getting way more pigmentation, which is not a bad thing. I actually really like that. You know, so because I don't know how I'm looking on camera, but to me it looks. But to me, this is a match. This is a match for me, and I love that. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you think of how it looks. I definitely do want to go ahead and complete my look and then come back. Hello everyone, so this is the final result, and I'm not going to lie, I am loving this look. Like this foundation is just, it feels like skin. It feels like it's my skin, and I feel like it's more of a match to me than any other foundation I've ever used. Like I said, I feel like maybe because it's my summertime foundation, I still want to find this foundation in like my wintertime shade because I'm just loving how it feels on my skin. I just love how it looks. I tried a few new makeup techniques, so that could also be why too. But I'm just loving it. Yeah, this is the final results. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like, do you think this is a match for me? I think that it is because anything warmer would look funny on me and wouldn't really match me, and anything too cool would look gray on me, you know. So I'm just loving this look, y'all. Like, let me know what you guys think. I made sure to stay in natural lighting. Let me like go into the sun. Let me take y'all outside with me. We gonna see for sure. This is how I look in the sunlight. Just look at that glow, y'all. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am loving this. I just can't. It's the glow for me, okay? It's the glow for me. I really hope you enjoyed watching my video because I enjoyed making this. Like, I really think I want to start trying on foundation. Like I said, stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be trying on the Fenty, the skin tint in the shade 17. That was another thing that I picked up at Ulta over the weekend. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like this video, make sure you like the video, and if you don't like the video, you can dislike it too. It's all love, baby girl. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know what I'm saying? I need your help for this channel to grow. So if you like my video, if you like me, subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? I got some things in store, you know what I'm saying, you know? But I'm really, 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 really digging this look. Like, even with the puff, all that. Okay, all right. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.